After leaving Penasco, Basic has been on the move, making 7 stops in just 8 days as we work our way down the Baja Peninsula. This is the last time we will be in this area of the world for a long time, so we are taking full advantage to see as much as we can. So far, the weather has cooperated, but this time of the year in the Sea of Cortez, the winds can pipe up for weeks on end, so we have to keep pushing south.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the biting, liking for you is all I need.
Basic left Trinidad early the next morning and made the monotonous 42.7 nautical mile trek to Santa Rosalia. The day started out with dense overcast skies and calm winds. Throughout the day, the winds never developed. But the clouds did burn off just in time for us to enter the harbor. Here we are on the approach to Santa Rosalia, one of our favorite cute little towns on the Baja Peninsula. All the fenders are ready. Should be an end tie available for us. We won't be here long, just to pop in, provision, wash the boat. We haven't washed the boat yet since Penasco, so we'll just do a couple things while we're here and then just keep moving.
Are you gonna let me dock her?
Do you want to?
No. I mean, we have fenders.
The last dock we were at was here. Yes.
Yeah. Well, no, we stopped for like a hot second.
I know that, but it wasn't a dock.
A lot of action going on. There's boats leaving, boats arriving, and obviously they're gonna shuffle us around to make room for 2 more cats. Well, it's departure day. We are officially leaving Santa Rosalia. This is kind of a bittersweet departure because this is the last time we're going to be here, and this is one of our absolute favorite towns. Nothing like taking a little pit
break.
stop to go get some tacos.
We haven't had tacos in hours. So I'm hungry. Okay, shrimp tacos. Downtown.
I think that one's mine.
That one's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Let me spin this around. It smells amazing.
We like to try one of each first.
One at every taco stand. Wow. You're right, it's got some heat. That's good.
We stopped here for a couple reasons. Number one, we still needed to work.
Just scrub, Em. Just scrub away.
Hard. And also to pick up some fuel since we didn't fuel up when we were in Penasco. And also what was it that we did? Oh, oil changes.
Oil changes. We did just kind of relax for a couple days.
Rang in the new year here.
Here we go. Start counting down, everyone. 15.
15,
14,
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
That's right.
Also waiting for some northers so then we can sail further south.
That's right. The wind's been kind of out of the south, lightly out of the south, but we wanted to wait till it's in our favor, which starts today, and they'll build for the next couple days, so this is a good time to go.
Yep, so that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, what about the
goodbye.
food scene?
I know I'm
Oh
gonna
my
miss all
God.
the food here.
Yeah, Emma's actually really sad. There is amazing food here, and we kind of indulged ourselves. Just another morning, walking to the point and grabbing some burrito tacos. How is it?
Really good.
So good? God, I don't know how they do it so cheap.
I don't know either, but I'm gonna enjoy it.
I know. When you stop in Rosalia, don't plan on cooking on the boat because
You don't have to.
There's so many options.
And it's so inexpensive. So yes, I think I gained a couple pounds.
Okay, so it's early morning. We're gonna ride the tide south. We only have about 30 miles to go today. We're going to Punta Chivato to Shell Beach. We've never been there, so
Nope.
it'll be exciting.
We're trying to hit up all the ports that we missed coming up the sea.
Yeah, because in the summertime, the wind is predominantly out of the south, and now it's predominantly out of the north. So now we'll be able to hit some other anchorages. We're gonna do Chivato tonight, and then we'll do a 50-mile run down to San Juanico, which we didn't have the option to anchor in San Juanico in the
saw
summer.
it from afar. But
Yes,
this time
it's
we're
looks
gonna
like a
anchor it.
beautiful anchorage,
It
so
is.
it'll be exciting to hit there. We'll do that the next day. It's about 50 nautical miles. So
Okay, let's go.
let's go.
Untie the lines, goods.
What'd you call it?
You saying goodbye? This sweet little town?
It's always an easy exit when you've been here before. Just nice and calm. The winds will be building through the day. So there'll probably be a little bit of maybe one engine for a while, maybe catch a fish this morning, and then as the winds build, we'll be able to get our sail plans up.
Sail. Downwind sailing is always fun.
Yeah, we'll pass Isla Marcos on the west side, and then we'll go through the Craig Channel, which is a narrow passage. We've been through there before, so we have our waypoints. But besides that, should be a nice, easy run today. I'm thinking yellowtail for dinner. What do you think?
That sounds awesome. Hope we get one.
Punta Chivato, the Great Shell Beach.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's what they call it. We'll see what this Great Shell Beach means.
After today's passage and a longer one bright and early tomorrow morning, we had just enough time to beachcomb for about an hour before dinner. On most beaches in the Sea of Cortez, you may find a shell or two here or there. This beach was so thick with shells that it makes you wonder, why this beach? Why not any others? What was so different about this bay that would cause this many shells to be in one place? Regardless, we all filled our pockets with our favorite shells and went back to the boats to wind down and relax before our big day the next morning. Basik picked up anchor and was underway before the sun came up and just as the moon was setting. With the mouth of Bahia Concepcion only 13 miles to the south, We decided to miss this amazing area because Basic had already seen most of it last summer.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel.
3, 2, 1.
But yeah, it's a good time here.
Instead, we chose to make the nearly 60 nautical mile leg from Chivato straight to San Juanico so the crew can experience new anchorages that we have yet to explore.
With little to no wind, both cats were forced to power most of the day. We tried our best to capture any wind possible, but they were light and fluky and never really made up their mind. The day went by fast as we fiddled with sail configurations to eke out any additional push we could find. In the end, the sails were up for show as we both motored our way into the anchorage with our tails between our legs. How's the depth? Well, here we are, San Juanico. Caleta, San Juanico. It's a beautiful, quiet evening. Got a full moon tonight, 6 other boats at anchor. And wind's going to pick up over the next couple of days out of the northwest. That's why we chose this anchorage. Looks like a couple of the people had the same idea. This will be a nice place to camp out while the swell out there in the sea dies down. It's supposed to be like a 4 to 5 foot sea, but like 4 seconds apart. So it'll be lumpy, but we're not in a hurry. So we'll call this our home for the next couple days. Made the 58 nautical mile trip today in just over 9 hours. So we made okay time. It's nice to be tucked in. Lynn's got dinner cooking already and it smells wonderful. I'm sure everybody in the bay here could smell it. I don't know what she's got going. What do you have going? Are you in here? What are you cooking?
Honey garlic chicken.
Honey garlic chicken?
Yeah. I think that I got it just not heat, not jalapeno, mix it.
Oh, sounds delicious. Oh, you got your rice cooking out here? Got your rice cooking out here?
Yeah. Oh, it's a little dirty. I need to clean that stove.
Oh, hot.
Yeah, don't touch that.
That's what I get.
Long day.
Long day. But we'll wind down.
But it's gorgeous here.
It is.
Another day, another project. This has been bugging me for a long time. It is when first thing in the morning the sun is shining through. So I pulled out some material and we're making some shade. Oh, I don't like when you have to drill into our
diamond.
Beautiful door. But I can't handle the sun. First thing in the morning when you're having coffee.
Well, I don't like when it comes and hits the computer screen.
Yeah, that too. And it seems to follow us. Do you notice that?
Sun is good.
Sun is good when you want it. When you don't want it, you gotta have shade.
Okay. I think I'm all set.
Yeah?
Let's put this thing together.
Okay. Look at that, nice and clean.
You like it?
I do. It's gonna be so nice in the morning, and actually for privacy too.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is pretty nice. But my favorite one is right over here. Privacy. This is great. We'll just leave it down all the time.
Put it back up. You can put it down when you're in here. Hey, these did turn out nice. Lynn,
Good.
I think you need to make these for all the port lights.
I agree. Well, there you have it. Another interesting Onboard Lifestyle video. A special thanks goes out to our amazing patrons whose generous support drives the production of these videos. Join our crew if you can. Basik's migration south has been amazing, and the crew can't wait to see what's in store for us next week. See you then!